Hazrat Yazid, the slave freed by Mumbais, has reported from Hazrat Zaid bin Khalid Johni radiyallahu anhu that a man inquired of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about a find. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Announce it publicly for 1 year, then recognize its string and pouch, and then expand it. If later its owner comes, give him from your own self." He submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what's about a stray goat?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Catch it, for it is either for you or your brother or for a wolf." He again submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what's about a stray camel?" The transmitter says, at this Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got annoyed to such an extent that his both cheeks became red or his face got red. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "What have you to do with it? It has its shoes and water with it until its owner finds it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6112.